Hi everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most important topics in English grammar, conditional sentences. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to talk about what is conditional sentence, types of conditional sentences, and we'll end it with a summary of this topic. First, what is conditional sentence? Conditional sentences allow us to talk about possibilities, make predictions, discuss hypothetical situations, and even express regrets about the past. Simply put, it's a sentence that expresses one event or condition that depends on another. For example, if I save enough money, I will buy a new car. In this sentence, buying the car depends on saving enough money. There are two key components, the conditional clause and the main clause. The conditional clause is the part of the sentence that starts with if. It sets up the condition that must be met for the rest of the sentence to be true. In the sentence, the conditional clause is if I save enough money. The main clause is the result or outcome that depends on the condition being met. In our example, I will buy a new car is the main clause. It tells us what will happen if the condition I save enough money occurs. Type of conditional sentences. There are 4 types of conditional sentences. Type 0, zero conditional. Type 1, first conditional. Type 2, second conditional. Type 3, third conditional. Zero conditional. We use this type of conditional sentences to express general truths, scientific facts, and things that always happen under a certain condition. The structure is straightforward. For the conditional clause, we use if plus present simple. And the main clause is present simple. The example, if you leave ice in the sun, it melts. The conditional clause in this sentence, if you leave ice in the sun, and the main clause will be it melts. It means that whenever ice is left in the sun, it always melts. Next, we have type 1 or first conditional. This type is used to talk about real and possible situations in the future. The structure for this type is if plus the present simple as the conditional clause. For the main clause, subject plus will plus infinitive. For example, if the team trains hard, they will win the championship. The conditional clause of this example is if plus present simple. If the team trains hard, the main clause is will plus infinitive. They will win the championship. This sentence tells us that training hard is a real possibility, and if it happens, winning the championship is a likely outcome. In other words, winning the championship depends on the team training hard. Moving on to type 2 or second conditional. This type is used for hypothetical or imaginary situations in the present or future. The structure of this type, for the conditional clause, we use if plus the past simple, and for the main clause, subject plus would plus infinitive. Let's see the example here. If I could play a musical instrument, I would join a band. The conditional clause for this sentence, if I could play a musical instrument, and the main clause is I would join a band. In this example, playing a musical instrument is just a hypothetical situation. It means that the person cannot play a musical instrument, thus he doesn't join a band. Last, we have type 3, third conditional. This type is used to talk about hypothetical situations in the past or things that didn't actually happen. The structure for the conditional clause in this type would be if plus past perfect, and for the main clause we can use subject plus would plus past participle. The example is if he had worked harder, he would have been promoted. The conditional clause consists of if plus past perfect. If he had worked harder, and the main clause, he would have been promoted, use would have plus past participle or verb 3. This example suggests that he didn't work hard enough in the past and as a result didn't get promoted, something that could have happened but didn't. Summary. To summarize, we have 4 types of conditional sentences: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. That brings us to the end of our lesson on conditional sentences. Understanding these structures will greatly improve your ability to communicate ideas involving conditions, possibilities, and hypothetical in English. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next lesson. Bye.